Welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. In this area we have lovely cornflower, some rhododendron, baden, the daphne, the anemone, all moving along nicely. Nice hosta here coming up. But among them all, of course, there are plenty of weeds, plenty of creeping buttercup, dandelions, willow herb, all sorts causing trouble. And if we don't get them now, they will beat us up later on and we won't be able to get ahead of them. The tool we're using for the job is this tool here. This is called the pull spark from the Vit. Very effective tool. You get underneath the weeds and pull them out, and you can rake them out of the area. So especially creeping buttercups, to get a grip like that, you can very quickly get underneath them and yank them out and get this area cleaned over. So you see, you get under your creeping buttercup there like that. There you see it's there underneath our daphne. So we can get underneath it there and pull them out by the roots back over that way. Another one there going to cause trouble around the anemone here as well. So very quickly we can get an area cleaned over with it. So that's the pull spark from the Vit. Very much a tool fit for purpose. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.